This call is now being recorded.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Muhammad Latif. Today, the topic which I am going to discuss today is Sol Gel Synthesis lecture number 2. First, key concepts. How is Sol stabilized? Point of zero charge, double layer aquamedia, coagulation, flocculation, silica gel through Sol gel processing, hydrolysis and condensation, silica gel formation. How is Sol stabilized? A sol consists of a liquid with colloidal particles which are not dissolved but do not agglomerate or sediment. Small particles tend naturally to agglomerate due to van der Waals forces and a tendency to decrease the total surface energy. In order to counteract the van der Waals interactions, repulsive forces must be established. Steric hindrance surfactant adsorption of layer of organic molecule particles are prevented from approaching each other, reducing the role of the van der Waals forces. Work best in concentration, dispersion, and organic media. Electrostatic repulsion, adsorption of charged species onto the surface of the particles. Repulsion between the particles and agglomeration will be prevented. Aqueous solution. Point of zero charge. All particles have ionic group that control the surface potential. Counter ions in the solution will cover this layer, shielding the rest of the solution from the surface charges. For hydrous oxides, the surface potential will be determined by reactions with the ions hydrogen and hydroxyl. The surface potential is pH dependent. At the pH, the particle becomes charge neutral is referred to as the point of the zero charge. If the pH value is greater than the point of the zero charge, then the surface is negatively charged. If the pH value is less than the point of zero charge, then the surface will be positively charged. Here are some values of some molecules. Magnesium oxide 12, aluminum oxide 9, tin oxide 6, titanium oxide 6, tin oxide 4.5, silicon dioxide 2.5. Point of zero charge depends somewhat on the size of the particle and degree of the condensation. What is double layer aquamedia? In an electrical field, the particle will move toward the electrode with the opposite charge. It will carry the adsorbed layer and part of the counter ions. The slip plane, which is shown in the figure, divides the part that moves with the particle and the solution. The potential at the slip plane is called the zeta potential, denoted by Fz. The pH for which zeta potential is zero is called the isoelectric point. The stability of the colloid depends on zeta potential. The larger the zeta potential value, the more stable the colloid. Its value must be greater than or equal to 30 to 50 millivolt. Given the same surface potential, the repulsive forces will increase with the particle size. Coagulation, flocculation. Coagulation of sol may occur if the surface potential is lowered by changing the pH, by increasing the number of counter ions, and increase in the concentration of the counter ions result in a decrease of the thickness of the double layer. In some cases, a coagulation colloid may be dispersed. This is called peptizing. This is done by removing the surplus counter ion by washing or by adding charge ion so that the double layer is restored. Sol gel through sol gel processing. There is the procedure and the uh, pathway from which the sole gel is synthesized. A sole gel process occur in several steps: hydrolysis and condensation of the molecule, formation of a sole. Next one is gelation, sole gel transformation, aging, and last one is drying. Hydrolysis and condensation mean the starting point for formation of silica gel may be alkoxide or silanols. These are reacted to give siloxane group. Here in the following diagram, we can see the difference between alkoxide, silanol, and siloxane, denoted by the following reaction mechanism. Here are the two Here are the two processes from which the sole gel is synthesized. First one is acid catalyzed condition, which produce polymer gel, and the second one is base catalyzed condition, which produce the particulate gel. In acid catalyzed, you can see that the sole far from the gel point, sole near gel point, hydrolysis reaction is speeded up more efficiently than the condensation reaction. Polymer chains are weakly cross-linked and the structure can be highly compacted before the gelation. In base catalyzed condition, here we can see that the branched cluster growth and additional branching, and at the end point, residual species in between the clusters and link clusters are formed. Silica gel formation. The starting material for formation of silica gel are usually sodium silica silicate oxide, water glass भी हम जिसको कहते हैं, silicon alkoxide. The difference are given below. First one is water based system and the second one is water free system, which is done by alkoxides. Sodium silicate oxide is dissolved in water. The reactive group in water glass are silanols. Gelation therefore starts with a change in pH. Morphology controlled by a pH presence of the salt concentration. And the second one is water-free system alkoxides. Alkoxides is dissolved in an organic solvent, usually an alcohol. Hydrolysis reaction occur converting silicon alkoxide alkyl group or silicon hydroxyl group or sole gel, therefore starts by adding water plus catalyst. The alkoxide system are complex with many parameters, allow control of the reactions. Two reaction path, acidic or basic environment, which we have already covered in the previous slide. Alkoxide reaction in acidic environment, जिसको हम वाटर फ्री सिस्टम भी कहते हैं. The oxygen atom in silicon hydroxide alkyl group is protonated and the hydrogen or hydroxyl group or alkyl group are good living group. The electron density are shifted from silicon atom, making it more accessible for reaction with water hydrolysis or silanol condensation. Here we can see that silicon के साथ जो अल्काइल ग्रुप लगा है उसको सबसे पहले वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं, जिससे ये होता है कि अल्काइल ग्रुप रिमूव हो जाता है, वाटर का एक हाइड्रोजन उसके साथ अटैच हो जाता है, जिसे हाइड्रोलिसिस स्टेप कहते हैं. सेकंड स्टेप के अंदर एक सिलिकॉन ऑक्साइड अल्काइल ग्रुप एक और ऐड उसके ग्रुप के साथ दोबारा रिएक्ट करता है, जिससे ये होता है कि एक और हाइड्रोजन जो पहले मिला था सिलिकॉन के साथ वो वहां से रिमूव हो जाता है और सिलिकॉन ऑक्सीजन के जरिए दूसरे सिलिकॉन एटम के साथ अटैच हो जाता है, और जो अल्काइल ग्रुप होता है वो हाइड्रोक्सल ग्रुप के साथ रिएक्ट करके रिमूव हो जाता है, जिसे कंडेंसेशन स्टेप का पहला स्टेप भी हम कह सकते हैं. दूसरे स्टेप के अंदर सिलिकॉन हाइड्रोक्सल ग्रुप और दूसरा सिलिकॉन हाइड्रोक्सल ग्रुप, दो हाइड्रोक्सल ग्रुप मिलते हैं, जिसके जरिए जो है वो सिलिकॉन ऑक्साइड सिलिका जेल जिसे हम कहते हैं वो बनता है, और वाटर जो है एंड पे रिमूव हो जाता है। Alkoxide reaction in basic environment water free system. Nucleophilic attack by hydroxyl group or silicon oxide on the central silicon atom. These species are formed by dissociation of water or silicon hydroxyl group. The reactions are of SN2 type, where hydroxyl group replaces alkyl group. Hydrolysis will occur, or silanol replaces hydroxyl group by alkyl condensation, which is shown in the figure below. When using silicon alkoxide, acid or base must be used to catalyze the reaction. Here are some parameters that control the condensation. Parameter number 1. The condensation process is dynamic and may be steered in the desired condition by adjusting parameters. Type of precursor, electron density on silicon, the ratio between alkoxide and water, type of catalyst used, acid or base, pH, competition between hydrolysis and condensation, type of solvent, polarity, protonic, stabilize, various species, temperature, and the last one is relative and absolute concentration of the reactants. The stability and reactivity of the silicon alkoxide are influenced by a steric factor. Bulky ligand slow down the hydrolysis. Parameter number second. Electron density on silicon will influence the reaction rate. As you can see there, जब सिलिकॉन के साथ एक अल्काइल ग्रुप अटैच होता है तो उसकी जो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी है वो ज़्यादा होती है, सबसे ज़्यादा होती है। फिर उसके साथ अल्काइल ग्रुप के साथ जब वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो ऑक्सीजन उसके साथ अटैच होती है तो उसकी इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी कम हो जाती है। फिर उसके साथ जब हाइड्रोक्सल ग्रुप अटैच होता है तो उसकी उससे कम हो जाती है। फिर लास्ट के ऊपर सिलिकॉन और दो सिलिकॉन एटम के दरमियान जब ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो जाता है तो उसकी इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी सबसे कम होती है। एसिड कैटालाइज रिएक्शन डिमांड हाई इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी, बेस कैटालाइज रिएक्शन डिमांड लो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी। दिस रिजल्ट इन एसिड कैटालाइज की वजह से जो है मोर स्ट्रेट चेन जो है वो बनते हैं, जैसे कि हमने पहले एसिड और बेस कैटालाइज रिएक्शन के अंदर देखा है और डायग्राम में भी दिखाया गया है कि वो किस तरह के पॉलीमर जो हैं वो सोल जेल के बनते हैं। तो बेस कैटालाइज के अंदर मोर ब्रांच नेटवर्क बनते हैं। द रिएक्शन states that a water ratio of 2 is needed to convert everything to silicon dioxide. A water ratio of 1 lead to complete hydrolysis but no condensation. Increase the water content will reduce condensation. Reducing the water content increase the control condensation. Number third, pH reaction rate is pH dependent. A minimum pH for hydrolysis is observed, which is 7. For condensation, the pH value is 4.5. Solvents. The polarity, dipolar moment, viscosity, protolytic, non-protolytic properties are important for reaction taking place. Polar solvent stabilize polar gel by hydrogen bonding. Non-polar solvents are better for systems which are not completely hydrolyzed. Here is the network formation. During reaction, object will grow, however, a gel may not form. As the sol aggregate, the viscosity will increase until a gel is formed. The sol gel transition, which is called the gel point, is reached when a continuous network is formed. The gel time is determined as the time when it is possible to turn the container upside down. All fluid is kept in the gel and the volume is maintained. Network formation. large spherical silicon dioxide particle, high pH, low water ratio, and high temperature. These are the feature of formation of silicon dioxide gel endpoint. That's all about my presentation. Thanks to all of you. If you have any question, you are most welcome.
जी, क्वेश्चन किसी का? आप लोग सुन